Good morning, friends. It is Wednesday, the 21st of August, and I do hope you're enjoying the real hero snow we are dishing up for you this week. Skiing and boarding is by far the best it has been all season long. More snow showers are forecast today, as you can see right here, falling down to 900 meters, with most of it falling tonight. Solid snowmaking conditions as well, under a low of minus 5.3 degrees, so basically we have snow coming out from everywhere. 11 lifts are turning today and access to the entire mountain, as we now have both Keels and Orchard open as well. Great for practicing turns between the gum trees. If you still have steam to burn after the sun goes down, try night skiing at the Big D from 6:30 to 9:30. But first, Harry the Snow Dragon rocks the stage from 4 p.m, a good time for all the little kids to shake up the Big D. Moderate to fresh winds from the west-southwest and a top of -3 during the day. Well, winter might have been slow to start, but hey, better late than never. And it's only here for a short amount of time, so definitely you do not want to miss out. Maybe even chuck a snowy. Who knows? My name is Mimi, and this is Hoffman. It's dumping.